Sini bunduki ya kutishia. Hata kama ifanye. Oh, kwa nini si trade yangu na nini?
Nakuja twende.
Yeah, but I confirm.
To confirm.
717.
Fiti.
Officers from Special Service Unit, DCI and Kenya Police received information that there were thugs who were planning to carry out a robbery. So we met and planned for the counter with a view of preventing the occurrence of that robbery. So unfortunately, when the robbers were sighted, they were in a Probox registered number KCE 475X. They were spotted and challenged to stop. They refused and a chase ensued. When they reached at the flyover just next to where we were, an exchange of fire occurred. You can see our officers, which were in our GK vehicle, the one right behind me here, sustained gunshot bullets. It was shot at by the robbers, and the officers challenged them, whereby